Curious about the incredible future of technology? From futuristic drones to stunning luxury vehicles, the innovations are mind-blowing. Today, we're showcasing revolutionary machines and gadgets that are shaping tomorrow. Stick around to witness cutting-edge designs and trailblazing concepts in action. Komodo 03. The Komodo 03 is built for versatility. It's ready to take on logistics, patrolling, reconnaissance, photography, and more. This version, known as the 03, has an impressive carrying capacity of up to 100 kilograms. It's equipped with a powerful brushless motor, making it reliable in extreme temperatures. It operates smoothly in conditions ranging from 60 degrees Celsius to -20 degrees Celsius. While its top speed is only 5 kilometers per hour, it excels in other areas. With 20 centimeters of ground clearance, it can navigate uneven terrain effortlessly. It's also capable of climbing 30-degree stairs and slopes with ease. The Komodo 03 has a low center of gravity, enhancing its stability. Its Christie suspension system, similar to that of a tank, ensures smooth performance on rugged surfaces. This robust machine is perfect for tough environments and demanding tasks, making it a dependable choice for a variety of applications. Eretic Snowscoot. The Eretic Snowscoot is a unique winter sports device. It combines the excitement of snowboarding with the control of cycling, offering a fresh way to enjoy the snow. Its innovative design features handlebars for steering and foot platforms instead of traditional snowboard bindings. This setup gives riders more freedom and control, making it a dynamic alternative to skiing or snowboarding. Built with high-quality, durable components, the Snowscoot handles harsh snow conditions while providing a smooth ride. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and suitable for riders of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced enthusiasts. Whether you're carving through fresh powder or cruising down slopes, the Eretic Snowscoot offers an exciting and different winter experience. Gympad Bench. The Gympad Bench is a versatile fitness tool designed to elevate your strength training and home workouts. Combining durability with an ergonomic design, it provides a sturdy platform for a variety of exercises. You can use it for bench presses, dumbbell workouts, and core training. Its adjustable features let you customize the bench to incline, decline, or flat positions. This versatility helps target different muscle groups effectively. Built with high-quality materials, the Gympad Bench ensures comfort and stability during intense sessions. Its sturdy construction enhances safety, giving you confidence in every workout. Compact and easy to store, this bench is an excellent addition to any home gym. It's perfect for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. THAR.e. The Mahindra THAR.e, unveiled in August 2023, marks a significant step forward in electric mobility. Built on Mahindra's advanced INGLO electric platform, this SUV captures the adventurous spirit of the classic THAR while adopting sustainable innovations. THAR.e features a high-performance, all-wheel drive electric powertrain, delivering impressive capability for both urban streets and rugged off-road terrains. Sustainability is at the heart of this design, with the vehicle constructed from 50% recycled PET and recyclable plastics, reducing its environmental footprint. The exterior of THAR.e is bold and modern, with sharp geometric lines and nearly vertical windows that give it a robust, spacious feel. This design not only stands out but also maintains the strong identity THAR is known for in the electric SUV market. Inside, the focus is on simplicity and functionality. The minimalist interior is practical, featuring durable grab handles and a unique central pivoting display, ensuring ease of use in both city commutes and outdoor adventures. THAR.e represents a new era of electric SUVs, where sustainability, adaptability, and adventure come together in one distinct package. Pro Drone PD6B. The Pro Drone PD6B is a remarkable innovation with two 5-axis robotic arms. It's designed to handle tasks in challenging environments. Its applications include infrastructure inspection, construction, and disaster assistance. This drone stands out for its ability to lift and carry objects weighing up to 10 kilograms. Thanks to its precise movement and deft handling, it can execute complicated tasks with ease. The drone is 1,300 mm tall, with a motor-to-motor length of 1,450 mm. It boasts a maximum payload capacity of 20 kilograms, supported by its sturdy PD6B airframe. This construction ensures durability and reliable performance, even in extreme climates. The Pro Drone PD6B has a top speed of 60 km per hour. Powered by a 16,000 mAh battery, it offers a flight time of up to 30 minutes. It can operate at altitudes as high as 5,000 meters. If you're interested, the PD6B is available for purchase directly from Pro Drone. However, the pricing details are not mentioned on their platform. Inmotion V14 Adventure. Introducing the Inmotion V14 Adventure, a top-tier electric unicycle designed for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts. With a price tag of $3,299, this unicycle is built to handle the toughest terrains. The V14 Adventure packs a punch with its 4,000-watt rated motor and a 9,000-watt peak output. This motor delivers 2,000 Nm of torque and 850 N of wheel tractive force, giving you the power to conquer challenging trails and rough surfaces. It has an impressive top speed of 70 km per hour, but for safety, it's limited to 25 km per hour. On a single charge, the 2,400 watt-hours battery can take you up to 120 kilometers. And when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long. Thanks to its fast charging technology, the battery can be fully charged in just 1 hour. One of its standout features is the dual suspension system. With 85 mm of suspension travel, you'll enjoy smooth, controlled rides even on bumpy terrain. The 3 to 12-inch off-road tires provide excellent grip, while the 50 degrees climbing angle lets you take on steep slopes with ease. For performance stability, the V14 Adventure uses the Raptor controller for smooth power delivery. Whether you're riding in rain or through puddles, you're covered with IPX6 wheel and IPX7 battery water resistance. Additional features like adjustable headlights, power pads, and a trolley handle make this unicycle even more practical for adventurous riders. If you're looking for a robust and powerful electric unicycle to explore the outdoors, the Inmotion V14 Adventure is a solid choice. REM. The REM is an innovative and affordable electric propulsion stick. It's designed to attach to skateboards and inline skates, giving them a motorized boost. Invented in Barcelona, this device can propel you up to 25 miles per hour. That's an impressive speed for skateboards or rollerblades. It's a great way to add excitement to your ride while making longer distances easier to cover. Despite its compact size, the REM delivers a surprising amount of thrust. This makes it useful for navigating tough currents, fighting against wind, or simply reducing effort on extended journeys. Safety is essential when using the REM. Always wear a helmet and other protective gear. Be sure to follow traffic laws and ride responsibly. The REM combines fun and practicality, making it an exciting tool for personal mobility. STANCE TRIKE. You're looking at a homemade vehicle called a STANCE TRIKE. This type of trike is known for its very low ground clearance and large rear wheels positioned at distinctive angles. Building a STANCE TRIKE isn't overly complicated. Some skilled individuals even create and sell them. Typically, car wheels and tires are used for the construction. However, the seat can be the trickiest part. Builders often get creative with seating. Some repurpose old car seats, others use stadium seats, and those willing to spend more opt for fiberglass buggy seats. The entire assembly process can be completed within a week if done without rushing. Painting and adding unique design elements make each STANCE TRIKE stand out. For example, in this video, you'll notice a customized license plate and a seatback with designs inspired by anime culture, iconic shows like The Simpsons, and popular video games and movies. A STANCE TRIKE is more than just a vehicle, it's a blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and personal expression. Unitree H1. Meet the Unitree H1, a groundbreaking humanoid robot. It's the first full-size general-purpose humanoid robot capable of running in China. Standing 1.8 meters tall and weighing 47 kilograms, the H1 combines agility and power. It boasts a maximum joint torque of 360 Nm, making it the most powerful robot in its class. This exceptional strength allows it to perform dynamic movements, including walking and running. The H1 holds a world record for humanoid robots with a running speed of over 3.3 meters per second. It achieves this remarkable performance through an advanced powertrain and AI-powered world modeling. With its 3D lidar and depth camera, the H1 perceives its surroundings in 360 degrees. This technology ensures precise and safe navigation, even on complex terrains. The Unitree H1 isn't just a robot, it's a leap forward in humanoid robotics, setting new standards for agility, power, and intelligence. Peravez Monoracer. The Peravez Monoracer is an enclosed motorcycle designed for both efficiency and safety. It blends the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort of a car. The fully enclosed cabin keeps you protected from the weather and reduces drag, improving performance. It runs on an efficient electric motor, providing a clean and quiet ride with impressive range. One of its standout features is the retractable landing gear, which adds stability when you're stopped. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, the Peravez Monoracer is an excellent choice for sustainable and comfortable urban travel. Mansory Lamborghini Urus, the ultimate performance SUV. The Mansory Lamborghini Urus takes the already powerful and luxurious Lamborghini Urus and pushes it to a new level. Mansory, known for its extravagant vehicle modifications, has transformed this performance SUV into a masterpiece of sportiness and luxury. Starting with the exterior, the Mansory Lamborghini Urus features significant upgrades. It comes with a new roof spoiler, a redesigned front and rear apron, and an array of carbon fiber parts that not only enhance its aggressive look but also improve aerodynamics. Under the hood, this SUV has been tuned to deliver an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. The interior is no less impressive. It's a fully customized space with high-quality carbon fiber and leather materials, designed to fit the preferences of each buyer. The ambient lighting can be personalized, allowing drivers to set the perfect mood for any journey. A carbon roof is also standard, giving the Mansory Lamborghini Urus a distinctive and futuristic touch. Only 9 units of this exclusive Mansory Lamborghini Urus have been produced, making it an extremely rare vehicle. The base model of the Lamborghini Urus Performante starts at $266,000, but the Mansory version, with all its custom upgrades, starts at an eye-watering $218,000 in the US. This is more than just a modified Lamborghini, it's a bold statement of what Mansory can achieve, transforming an already remarkable vehicle into a true automotive masterpiece. GM Chevrolet ENV 2.0 concept. General Motors is pushing the future of urban transportation with the Chevrolet ENV 2.0 concept, unveiled at the 2012 Beijing Motor Show. This futuristic vehicle is designed to address the challenges of congested city environments. The ENV 2.0 is an evolution of the original ENV, which stands for Electric Network Vehicle. The first version was showcased at the 2010 World Expo in Shanghai. While it maintains its compact, upright design, similar to a motorcycle helmet, the second generation comes with significant upgrades. The most noticeable improvement is the addition of 2 more wheels, bringing the total to 4. This change enhances both stability and performance, making it more practical for real-world use. The 2-seater ENV 2.0 is also equipped with modern conveniences like climate control and a luggage compartment. Unlike the first version, it's now capable of handling all kinds of weather and can navigate across various city roads. This vehicle represents a step forward in urban mobility, offering a glimpse into how cities might handle transportation in the future. Eunorau Flash. Priced at $1,960. The Eunorau Flash is a versatile, long-range electric bike that excels in both urban commuting and off-road adventures. It's powered by a 52-volt, 1000-watt mid-drive motor, which offers incredible 220 Nm of torque. This gives you smooth, powerful acceleration. If you want even more power, there's an optional dual motor setup that boosts output to 1500 watts, letting the bike reach a top speed of 32 km/h. Whether you're commuting or heading off the beaten path, the Eunorau Flash handles it all with ease. Its 52-volt, 16 amp-hour battery provides an impressive range of up to 354 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it perfect for long-distance rides, so you won't have to worry about running out of power. The bike's aluminum alloy frame is tough and durable, supporting a payload of up to 200 kilograms. It's designed to accommodate riders of all sizes, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. For added stability, the bike comes with 20 by 4-inch CST tires, giving you grip and control on various terrains. The hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, keeping you safe on your rides. With the 8-speed Shimano thumb shifter and 5 levels of pedal assist, you can easily adjust your riding style for any situation. Whether you prefer a laid-back cruise or need extra power on hills, this bike adapts to your needs. In short, the Eunorau Flash is an excellent choice for adventure enthusiasts looking for performance, range, and versatility in one package.